Held over 4 days in a giant marquee, the annual craft fair in Antigua is a melting pot of creative ideas. To find out more, I caught up with Debbie, Head of Tourism on the local council, to find out what makes this event so special.
It's special because we have real craft makers. They're not just from Fuerteventura. You've got to remember they come from all the other islands as well. They've dedicated their lives to the arts and crafts where, you know, they're making things with their hands. And it's organised by a group called the Colectivo Mafasca. They're all volunteers. So when they all get together, it's great because you're getting to see all different types of arts and crafts. Not just arts and crafts, the food side of it, the gastronomia as well, all the different local foods and things that you can experience here in the Canary Islands.
We bumped into some English-speaking friends from the local school. Jessica, what sort of things have you done here this morning?
We watched the music, it was really good. We watched the shows and we ate loads of potatoes.
Do you actually like any of the healthy food, like the cheese or anything like that?
I tried some and it was really nice. I liked it. I tried some cheese too.
Faith, what have you bought today?
So we bought candy floss and popcorn. We ate the cotton candy, it's all gone.
Charlie, what have you bought?
Well, I bought a bracelet.
So what's your favourite thing about the fair?
It's just really cool because there's loads of different things here that you can do and there's really good music as well.
Thank you very, very much for your time, everybody.
You're welcome.
Adios.
Bye.
I'm almost frightened to ask this given your current physical state, but are you okay to give us a little bit of a tour?
Yes, of course.
Oh, thank you so much, Debbie.
Let's go over here. I spotted the wine. But that's from things from Lanzarote. We have a little bit of tasting over here. Aquí que tenemos el aceite de ¿dónde? This is the olive oil from Tiscamanita. Delicious. Produced in Fuerteventura. It's just won a prize as one of the best oils in the Canary Islands. Marie's mojo is famous.
The idea that I had was to sell the same mojo, exactly the one that we use at home. The green one, for example, that is with coriander. Here in this question is with some bread, the way that you can taste.
Yes, he's getting fed as well.
I'm getting fed as well. Yeah, no, I'm going to make the most of this.
Delicious.
Can you see
That's
the
really nice. It's got,
different? It's the different
I'm speaking with my mouth
flavor.
full, I do apologise. It's you kind of get like one flavour after another.
This texture was the original texture that the mojo always had. So it's going to give you the chance to cook with this.
Yeah.
When you have like a mayonnaise, the only function that you have is just on your plate for link with the food.
Just to dip everything in afterwards.
Yeah.
But
This
with
is-
this texture you can cook. For example, we have some ideas on our web.
You can buy this in the supermarket
You can
as
buy it in
well.
the supermarket.
She has it in Spa in Caleta de Fusti.
Where do you make all this?
Here in Antigua. Here, for example, if you have soup, Lent soup or something like that, instead the normal salt you can use this. And in the barbecue for the meat, it's amazing.
brilliant.
That's what I
I use
was
it on the
thinking.
pork chops.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
to
very
you.
We made in El Castillo,
Okay.
and we import all products from Belgium. And we made different tastes, for example, or violet essence, similar to perfume, or sal by Las Salinas.
So this is with,
Dark
with
chocolate.
some sort of crust.
I've tasted mine.
That's really nice.
Lovely.
That's like dark chocolate, but it's not bitter.
Yeah. It's delicious.
like-
We try to choose always the aromatic chocolates. Is the difference between the chocolate from Africa or from South America?
Right.
Okay.
It's, from Africa, it's more strong,
Strong.
a big cuerpo.
Yeah, it's more
Body?
full-bodied, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the South America is more aromatic,
Okay.
and our principal customers are the hotels.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
This is this. It's possible one hand, only one hand, no problem.
Ta-da! That's very good. That's very
Thank you.
clever.
Este es el nivel 1. Si quieren para amenizar el acto pueden aplaudir, ¿eh? Dime. Very good.
Mira, mira.
Very relax. Mano derecha por la punta, cabecita hacia arriba. Ah, ya tú lo conocías. Ya tú lo conocías. Level 2. Nivel 4. No, relax. This is level 8. Un poco de constipado, un poquito de aire, pero nada más. No. Salud en general, bien.
Realmente este año ha sido muy tranquilo.
Me alegro. Gracias.
It would have been nice to nail the higher levels of Domingo's addictive game, but there was even more to see. We took in a little ballet, did an impromptu spot on Spanish TV, thankfully Sarah did the talking, and got swept up in the general bustle. Even one of the island's self-appointed grumpiest old expats was energised.
Walked all the way around, thoroughly enjoyed it. Come every year.
So what are you taking home with you today?
Apple slice that I get every year. Tartar manzana. Thank you.
You got goat's cheese, Jackie?
Yes, flavoured goat's cheese.
All right, what flavour is it then?
Oregano. Excellent.
The entertainment over there is excellent. Wonderful.
Having been on the go all day, we were starting to flag a little. Time to grab a reasonably priced bite at the on-site canteen and reflect on the event. Our verdict? A great day out. What's more, the fair is always changing. In our view, it's worth attending at least once a year, every year.